Hello and welcome to another video where I'm gonna be showing you how to reveal the map in Soulframe. To have the map like this completely revealed, we're gonna need to find these three locations. You see the trees? Well, you're not gonna be able to see them on your screen yet. It's gonna be all cloudy, but we need to find those to be able to reveal the map. So while you're exploring in Soulframe, you have to lift your eyes a little bit into the horizon because you can find these kind of trees which are way bigger than the other ones and they have this shining light. You have to press F next to them and you're gonna like pull a weapon that is stabbed onto the tree, and then the tree is gonna reveal that section around it of the map. You're gonna have to find all of them to be able to reveal the map completely. I recommend you that you do it organically, just by exploring, since the map is quite big to have an adventure, but not as big that it will take you ages to really find the trees and reveal the map. But I will share you in a link in the description an image of the location for all the trees in case that you're missing one or two and you don't want to go through the hassle of trying to find it if it's getting annoying for you. So you can click the link in the description. If you find any of this helpful, please consider leaving a silly comment for the algorithm and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And another comment that I want to give you is that once you unlock the trees, you can teleport to them by having these seeds that you can collect them here in your mind space next to the girl that does the dyeing of the clothes. Here you have to collect them every day and you get one, so you can teleport through the map to any other tree in this manner, spending one of the seeds. Okay, that was it for the video today. I hope you're enjoying the game. If so, let me know in the comments. See you until next time.